everyone. I am Dr. Renu and today is World Environment Day, and being a responsible citizen and a nature lover, I want to contribute to the environment. So today I am going to a nursery, and I have decided to buy hundreds of the plants. These are ornamental plants, and I will plant these hundreds of the ornamental plants in my residential colony, and so that I could contribute to the nature and to save the environment. Thank you. So we reached the nursery, and here we saw a lot of plants like roses, mango, juniper, grapevine, croton, pomegranate plant, cycas, ficus, guava plant, grafted mango, and ashok plant. We were willing to choose plants like champa, that is plumeria, oleander, that is kaner, ashoka, ficus, hibiscus, that is gudhal, since these are best suited plants for roadside plantation, and these enhances the beauty of residential colony. We avoided fruit plants because they generally attracts monkey. Since I had to buy lots of plants, I decided to choose the plants which costed me less than 50 rupees. So I decided to buy few plants like ashoka, ficus, and oleander. I bought 40 plants of ashoka at rupees 25 per plant, 40 plants of ficus at rupees 40, and 20 plants of oleander at rupees 30. These are variegated hibiscus plants, but we rejected these plants because these were too small and they could have very high mortality rate. Now we are loading our plants very carefully to transport to the plantation site safely. Now we reach the plantation site and unloading the plants at the roadside. We can see that all the plants are absolutely safe. So we started the plantation along the road at 5 meter gap. We added compost and DAP, that is diammonium phosphate, before putting the plants in the pits. This we did just to provide the nutrients to the plant. After some time, some of the residents of our colony also joined us and helped us with the plantation work. Even the children participated in this task with great enthusiasm. So we will review the plants which we planted last year on World Environment Day. That time we chose plants like ficus, hibiscus, harshingar, jamun, lemon, moringa, guava, gulmohar, and we had planted around 25 plants that time. But this time we just increased the number to around 4 times. You can see that almost all the plants are still surviving. We are sharing the work done by us so that we could motivate others, so that next year more than thousands of the plants get planted instead of 100. Friends, I want to inform you that Van Mahotsav is arriving in the first week of next month, and UP government is planning to plant more than 30 crore plants at this occasion. So I urge you to join this drive and plant at least one plant at or near your home for a better cause. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.